All right, so thank you everyone for joining today. My name is Diane Bostonjek. I'm the membership manager for the American Institute of Biological Sciences. If you're not familiar with AIBS, we're a national scientific organization dedicated to advancing biology for the benefit of science and society. So we work to ensure that the public, legislators, funders, and the community of biologists have access to and use information that will guide them in making informed decisions about matters that require biological knowledge. So one way we do this is by providing decision makers information, and we do this independently and in partnership with members and business partners. So if you don't already know, we have these weekly Facebook live streams, talk about what we're doing at AIBS. So every Wednesday at noon, I come online and sometimes join with somebody, and we discuss a topic or theme. These are all recorded and they are on our Facebook page, and you can also find it on our AIBS YouTube page. So on YouTube, if you search AIBS videos, all one word, or just visit our website to find, on the bottom of the footer, you will find a link to our YouTube page. So please subscribe to our YouTube page, like our Facebook page, to get notifications of these great talks. I also encourage you to visit our website at aibs.org to find out more about us and what we are doing in the biology community today. So today we are talking about the latest BioScience Talks podcast. Hi, James, how are you?
I'm well, how are you?
I'm good. Okay, so tell me, what's this month's podcast about?
Okay, so this month's podcast is about the National Science Foundation's Research Experiences for Undergraduate Sites program. And put a little bit differently, what that program basically does is takes undergraduates and brings them into research locations where they can perform some of their own research with principal investigator. And to talk about it for this one, I had Eric Nagy and Alan Wilson. Eric Nagy's with the Mountain Lake Biological Station at UVA, and Alan Wilson's with Auburn University. They run two of those sites. And so what they did was they published an article in BioScience kind of evaluating the results for students of being in that program and doing independent research. And what they found was that, kind of an independent research program that was highly intensive, took place over the summer, had a pretty profound, or seemed to have a pretty profound effect on the science outcomes for these students. So they were more likely to become PhDs in STEM fields. They were more likely to win awards, publish their work in peer-reviewed journals, that kind of thing. So, this is some evidence that program seems to be working very well. And it was great to talk about, and they tell the story a lot better than I do.
Well, that's great. This is really interesting. Everybody can find the podcast on our website at aibs.org. Where else can they find it?
Well, they can also find it at bioscienceaibs.libsyn.com. iTunes, Apple Podcasts, it might be now. Wherever you listen to podcasts, we should be there. And you should be able to find us. Awesome.
Yes. So just look for BioScience Talks podcast, guys. And also the latest issue of BioScience is out, including that article. If you go to our website, you can find out how to access it and how to get to our publisher's website, Oxford Press, OUP's website, and access all those great articles. So thank you, James, so much for joining me today. Thank you, everyone, for joining. Stay tuned for next week's. And I just want to thank all of our individual and organizational members for their support. Without them, we would not be able to provide these live streams. And if you're not a member yet, please join us today. Enjoy the benefits of an AIBS membership and help bring biology to life. Bye, everyone. Thanks, James.
Bye. Thank you.